I'm R.S. Chatrawat from Department of Mechanical Engineering. Hi students, good morning. Today's topic is based on group technology. What is group technology? Before understanding group technology, we discuss on basic concept of group technology. Group technology is a technological improvement and it is from the class of change that companies gain the largest manufacturing productivity increases. Manufacturing productivity has been found to be influenced by the three major factors. First, improvements in the quality of the workforce. Second, greater ability of capital. And third, improved production technology. Group technology is a manufacturing philosophy or principle which far reaching implications. The basic concept is relatively simple, identify and bring together related or similar parts and process to take advantage of the similarities which exist during all stage of design and manufacturing. Importance of group technology. All the overall level of manufacturing policy in a firm, some decision must be reached to help to resist the constant pressure on production to accommodate greater diversity. First, process technology. Use at most two or three proven technologies and only proven one per factory. Second, market demand. Address only one or two sets of demands per factory involving price, quality, and lead time. Third, the product volume set. Have comparable volume for the main product groups to enable a consistent approach to be used to tooling, handling, and other qualities. Some shorts run may also be needed. Fourth, quality levels. Use comparable levels to allow a constant approach to a specification and quality control to be used. Fifth, manufacturing task. Define the task at most two at which the factory must excel in order to be competitive at any given times. Method of grouping. There are three general methods for solving this problem. The biggest single obstacle in changing over the group technology from a traditional production shop is the problem of grouping parts into families. There are three general methods for solving these problems. First, visual inspection. Visual inspection means the manual search for parts from the part family formation point of view is very simple but laborious by direct observation of the parts. Visual inspection considers as least accurate method. Second, classification and coding by examination of design and production data. A central feature of group technology is the part family. A part family is a part of group of a part that possess similarity in geometric shape and size or in the processing steps used in their manufacture. There are always differences among the part in a family, but the similarity are close enough that the part can be grouped into the same family. Next, the design system versus manufacturing system. The part similarity of the two types. Part similarities two types. The part design means measure dimensions basic external shapes, basic internal shapes, length and diameter ratio, material type, part function tolerances, and surface finishes. And part manufacturing attributes means measure process, operation sequence, batch size, annual production, machine tools, cutting tools, measure dimensions, basic external shape, length and diameter ratio, material type, tolerances, and surface finishes. Next, the part classification and coding system divided themselves into one of three general categories. The first categories are useful for design retrieval and to promote design standardizations, means shape and size. Second categories are used for computer aided product process planning, means tool design and other production related functions. And the third categories represents an attempt to combine the functions and advantages of the other two systems into a single classification scheme. The type of design and manufacturing parts attributes typically included in classification scheme are in this category. Benefits of group technologies. There are benefits of group technology means the problem of rearranging the materials in the plant into group technology cells. Many companies have been inhibited from adopting group technology because of the expense and descriptions associated with this transition in group technology machine cell. There is a problem of identifying part families among the many components production in the plant. These problems are solved and group technology is applied. The company will typically realize benefits in the following areas: production design, tooling and setups, material handling, production and inventory control, employee satisfaction, process planning, procedures. Means production design and benefits means in the area of production design, improvements and benefits are derived from the use of a part classification and coding system. Tooling and setups means group technology also tends to promote standardization of several area of manufacturing. Two of these areas are tooling and setups. In tooling, an effort is made of design, group jigs, and fixtures that will accommodate every member of a part family. Material handling. Another advantage in manufacturing is a reduction in the work part move and waiting time. The group technology machine layout lead themselves to efficient flow of material through the shop. The constant is sharpest when the flow line cell design is compared to the conventional process type layout. Production and inventory control. Several benefits accrue to a company production and inventory control function as a consecutive of group technology. The production schedule is simplified with group technology. 70% reduction in production times, 62% reduction in work in process inventories, 82% reduction in overdue orders. Employee satisfaction. The machine cell often allow parts to produced from raw material to finished state by a small group of workers. The workers are able to visualize their contribution to the firm more clearly. This tends to cultivate an improved worker attitude and higher level of job satisfaction. Process planning procedures. The time and cost of the process planning function can be reduced through standardization associated with group technology. A new part design is identified by its code number as belonging to a certain parts family for which the general process routing is known. The logic of this procedure can be written into computer software to form a computer automated process planning system. This topic will be discussed for the importance and benefits of group technology. Thank you.